Hi everyone, my name is Rabia R from 11G3 at the American International School, and today I'm going to be talking about frontal lobe damage. Phineas Gage was known for surviving a severe frontal lobe injury, and it happened while he was working as a railroad construction foreman when a large iron rod completely drove through his head. It caused damage to his frontal lobe. So what is the role of the frontal lobe? It's located at the front part of the brain and it controls essential cognitive skills. It also plays an important role at expressing emotions, solving problems, memory, and more, and key functions such as movement and consciousness. This is just an image of the frontal lobe. So what would happen if the frontal lobe was damaged? Damage in the frontal lobe can actually cause a large impact on our daily function. It causes motor weakness, and a variety of conditions including stroke, head trauma, and more are caused by the damage. Moving on to the symptoms, because the frontal lobe has many functions, the symptoms may differ. Some of them include depression, changes in behavior, low motivation, low attention span, weakness on one side of the body, and more. So what causes damage to the frontal lobe? It's most commonly caused by a worsening disease or a stroke, but there are other less common conditions. Dementia is an overall term for the diseases that is defined by the decline in memory, language, problem solving, and more, and they affect an individual's ability to perform daily tasks. When it comes to the diagnosis, CT scans and MRIs detect the frontal lobe stroke and possibly an infection. But if there's another cause, whether it's dementia or a concussion, then a brain imaging test often shows atrophy, which is the loss of tissue, or it may not even detect the frontal lobe damage at all. The treatment for frontal lobe damage differs depending on the case. If it's an infection, it can be treated with antibiotics, and brain tumors can be removed surgically. Rehabilitation can help optimize your existing motor functions, and CBT, which is also known as cognitive behavioral therapy, can help emphasize the regulating emotions and restraining impulsive behavior. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.